Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse today, Wednesday, November 27th, 2024. Now, I have to say, we're sort of on alert and on awaiting the bail decision in U.S. versus Sean Combs. Last week, there was the hearing about the photographing of the supposedly legal pads, or after-the-fact legal pads, some of them, in the MDC jail in Brooklyn. There was the hearing on bail on Friday. No decision rendered. There were a series of letters yesterday, including one late at night about the Bustani case and danger to the community, but still no decision, at least as of yet. So we're on alert for that, but we're covering any number of other cases. Yesterday, there was a proceeding in the Rudy Giuliani collections case, and it happened actually right here behind me. Let me turn around. Rudy spoke right in front of the court, and first he spoke in court, and it was widely reported that the judge slapped him down. The judge did. Now the question is, it's not unheard of for defendants to sometimes speak up, but in this case, Judge Lyman said, you're a former U.S. attorney, you should know how to get a car title, and also you can't speak for yourself if you have a lawyer, no hybrid representation, and if you speak, I'm going to put you on the stand and under oath. So there's that. Outside the court, notably, on some other beats that we cover, Giuliani said that the court now is all about prosecuting Republicans and people like Eric Adams. He specifically said, for supporting Trump. So there's that. You can find the video. We actually managed to shoot it from pretty close, so it could be audible and heard. So there's that. There is that. Of course, we're covering a number of other cases, very mysterious cases. There was a number of things. There was a Chinese native national brought into the MAG court. He was detained on risk of flight grounds. There were any number of them. You can find all of that on Inner City Press. What we also are doing are covering the United Nations. We put in a number of questions again yesterday, and once again, no answers. But after the fact, after a totally desultory noon briefing, there was the announcement of a ceasefire in the Israel-Hezbollah or Israel-Lebanon war. Of course, the UN tried to horn in later and pretended it played some role in it. It had absolutely no role, and UNIFIL's been there for years, basically hiding its head in the sand. If there's any way they can screw up a ceasefire, I'm sure they will, because it's in their nature to accomplish nothing, destroy things that are, and then use their immunity to ban the press that asks the questions. But we're going to keep asking the questions. And if we don't do another vlog for today, happy U.S. Thanksgiving. InnerCityPress.com.